Okay, today we caught quite a lot of fish. We just keep the fish that we need. Green.
Okay, got to unplug this, drain the water so that it's easier to catch the fish when the water is lesser. We will wait while the water is draining. When the water gets lower, we can start to grab the fish.
Let's release this fish.
Okay, first one is the giant juvenile. Let it swim for a while.
Let's release this fish.
Followed by the smaller giant juvenile. Here you go.
You swim down lah.
Next will be this one. Orange spotted grouper. And then okay, another grouper.
Walao ơi. Walao ơi. Okay, better use a cloth. Walao. Fast fish.
Yeah.
It's the golden tribali that's causing the problem.
Another fast fish.
Okay.
Followed by this small grouper. Another grouper again.
Okay, the rest keep for dinner.